guys, this is solar inverter. We are not using solar panel. You can use your own solar panel. We have taken out the wires over here. So there are basically 4 sections in this project. The first is this solar panel. So this solar panel will provide the current, and then this is the charge controller. Okay, so this charge controller will charge the battery. So battery we are using over here is 2.5 ampere capacity. This is the inverter. This inverter will convert 12 volt DC into AC voltage with the help of this transformer. And then there is a load section. So this is load. We are using to represent the AC voltage a bulb. So this bulb is working on 230 volt. So if this bulb will glow, it means you have generated the AC voltage with the help of this 12 volt power supply and this 230 volt converter. You have generated 12 volt DC to AC voltage. Now let me just explain you a little bit about it. So in this circuit, this is a LED indicator. So this LED indicator, when you will apply the solar panel, if solar panel is charging, then this LED indicator will glow, otherwise it won't glow. And for voltage regulator, we are using LM317. So this will control the charge, and you can set the voltage with the help of this potentiometer. And then you can charge 6 volt battery as well, and you can charge 12 volt battery as well. But over here we are charging 12 volt battery, so that's why we have set the voltage for the 12 volt. So we have done the calibration for the 12 volt. This circuit diagram of this charge controller, this inverter circuit, or everything else, you will find in the given description below. So link of the website circuitsbazaar.com is given over there, so you can go to the website and download all the detail of this project. Now the next section is this inverter. So main IC in this section is CD4047. You will apply 12 volt with the help of this toggle switch, and if 12 volt is applied, then this LED indicator would glow, and then this IC will generate the fluctuations which will be applied to the high voltage resistance, and then the output will be applied to the MOSFET. So the 2 MOSFETs we are using, again the circuit diagram is given in the description below, and then these fluctuations will be given to the transformer. This is the step down transformer. So the down side is in this side, and this is the upside. Okay, high voltage side. This is step down transformer. So this is the downside, and this is the upside. This transformer will convert these fluctuations into AC voltage, and the AC voltage we have applied on the load. So this is the load. We are using this simple bulb as a load over here. Now to test it, just on this, now you can see that this bulb is glowing. So this is a 230 volt bulb. Basically this is 230 volt bulb. If it is glowing, it means you have generated from 12 volt DC to AC voltage which is glowing this bulb. The capacity of this battery is 2.5 ampere. So we are using this battery. Basically this is a bike battery, this is a chargeable battery. So you can also charge this battery with the help of this manual point. So we have taken out manual point. In case if your solar panel is not working properly, then you can charge this battery manually with the help of these 2 wires. So minus is this one and plus is this one. So this is all about this small solar panel kit, and again you need to apply your solar panel over here. So this is proper functioning kit of solar inverter. For any doubt, the number is also given over here. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you like it, then please subscribe. Thank you so much.